Hi everyone, in my previous video I had created SSL certificate and private key with OpenSSL program and also shown you how to decrypt SSL traffic with Wireshark by using private key. So now in this video we will see web filtering without transparent mode. So let's start. So what I am going to do here, I am turning off this option, this transparent mode, and leaving this enable SSL filtering as it is. So everything is same, everything set same, configured same as per my previous videos. Just what I am doing, only turning off this transparent mode. So let's save here. So as I turned off transparent mode, what I need to do, I need to mention proxy IP address and port here, which is this one, same thing, and for all protocols. That's it. So now let's see, open Google. Everything is fine. Let me check services are running or not. Yes. And then the transparent mode is off already and this is enabled, and CA is this same I'm using. Okay, so let's open Google, and Google is opening, and now you can see who signed this certificate. Is issued by me, Ashok Duan. So it's mean our this option is working SSL filtering, and it is generating the certificate in the name of Google. So now what we need to do is create a list one to block Facebook. Here I'm going here, and this block list is already there. Let me delete this one and apply. Let's create new one, same block list, and mention domain name facebook.com, and error should would be not allowed. So let's save it and go to common. Okay, deny and save, apply. Okay, now let's open Facebook. I hope the error will come right now. Now you can see the error. The I hope you are wondering that why this error is coming. Even we have a CA certificate in our certificates to verify the Facebook certificate, which is created by firewall itself. Here in this we have this one. Even then the error is coming. The reason is that I want to tell you. Let's capture the traffic, then we will get the reason. Okay, let's capture again, and now go ahead and open Facebook again. Now let's see here what is happened. Okay, this is the certificates given by a firewall, and let's see what inside this certificate. So this is the problem here, that the name is not mentioned Facebook. The reason is that the Facebook is not mentioned here in the common name is because like here our client machine is asking proxy server to connect on facebook.com, and proxy server checks the domain list, and it sees that the facebook.com is mentioned in the domain list and this list is blocked. So proxy server does not forward any request on internet, and by this way proxy server will not receive any certificate from facebook.com. So as it is not receiving any certificate from facebook.com from internet, it can't find common name. So this is the reason it is not mentioning here the facebook.com, because it can't find common name. And what it does, it proceeds the handshake here, and at the end client is requested for the Facebook but it find common name different than Facebook. This is the reason. This is the error is coming for certification. So what we need to do here, we need to go to this squid gut proxy filter, and we need to remove list, remove facebook.com from this list, domain list, and need to mention here, sorry, facebook.com slash. So now I will show you the packets by capturing. Now you will able to understand clearly. Okay, let's start packet capture again, and we open Facebook again. Now you will see clearly error, this one. Now this one we didn't get any error regarding certification. Certificate. Okay, so let's show you here what is happening here. The client is asking proxy server to connect on facebook.com, and the proxy server checks this facebook.com under domain list, and it can't find. We have removed the facebook.com from domain list, so it forward request to facebook.com on the internet. So it forward request to Facebook on internet and receive certificates from facebook.com. And what it does, it alter the certificates and put its own public key and then forward to client machine. So it now it can mimic the certificate. So if you want to read this about this, you can go to this wiki.squid-cache.org, this URL. So you can read this, that bump server first support is required to get the original server certificate before we have to send our fake certificate to the client. One more thing here in this wiki section, when you go to this and you can read why bump the server first when dealing with the connect requests. And when you go back and see the packets here, you can see that after SSL handshake, the client machine asks for the Facebook page and directory is root. You can see forward slash here. So now then proxy server checks that this URL is denied by the our administrator. Then it gives forbidden message to client machine. This is this one. So by this way you can block downloading and search queries and websites without transparent mode. Very easy. So now I want to talk about that when we have more than 100 clients in our company, more than 500, then it's very difficult to go to each client and configure proxy settings on their browser. So what we need to do in this case, we need to configure WPAD, which is Web Proxy Auto Discovery Protocol. We need to configure on proxy firewall so that proxy firewall can give proxy settings to their clients. And how can our client machine search for the proxy settings? It's easy. What we need to do, we need to go to their internet browser and just go ahead and uncheck this. We don't need to mention proxy IP and port number. We just need to click on this. That's it. Now our this internet explorer browser will search for the proxy setting on the LAN local area network. Let's see. If I recapture the packet here and if I'll reopen this internet explorer, you will see after a few minutes you will see the request for the WPAD server here. Now you can see here the client machine broadcasting on local area network for the WPAD Web Proxy Auto Discovery Protocol. So it's asking searching on the local area network. So what we need to do, it's very easy. We need to just configure or make we need to make one file with JavaScript function, and argument is URL and host, and this function returning this IP address and port number. So copy this, we need to, and we need to make the file these three files, and we need to place this on this path on firewall. That's it. Okay, I have placed these three files here, and one is proxy pack. That's it. Now, what we need to do, one more thing is tell my DNS server here that I need to tell my DNS server that our WPAD is this host, and my domain. Let me mention the domain name and IP address is, and this WPAD auto configure host description. Save it, and also change the domain name here. General setup, and this mydomain.com. That's it. Okay, if I go ahead and now if I ping for the WPAD my domain.com, now you can see it is resolving name. So now what I need to do, I have configured the static IP here, static settings. So that's why I need to mention the DNS domain name also here. Domain name. That's it. Now if I will ping again WPAD, now you will get the reply. It's appending here my domain name.com automatically. So now everything is configured, and now this way our Internet Explorer will be able to find the proxy settings. So let's see here. I have unchecked this and this is enabled. So what I have done, only I have just mentioned this host wpad mydomain.com and IP address and this description. You can find these all things here. That's it. If I open the Internet Explorer and then Facebook now you can see the we got the message. So it's going through proxy server and it found the proxy settings automatically. So if I go ahead there to just check confirm, if I block the one more website here, Google Gmail, and let's open gmail.com. Okay, now you can see, so it's going through proxy. So this is how to configure the proxy settings on more than 500 clients or more than 100 clients in your company. Thanks for watching this video. I will come with more videos. Thank you.